Nay.
Then, swing, ano? This time,
Mamaya natin ka.
get in front of the victim. Oh, get in front of the victim. Ayun, di pala. Hawakan mo yung other hand of the
Walang
victim.
pagsala yun.
Then you face. You bend in front of the victim. Okay? Then, you insert the other arm in between.
Teta!
Oh.
Wihee!
Okay. You bend, you insert your left hand in between the victim, then ito, it's not for longer distances. Hindi ka makapagod.
Tingin sa camera.
Kakalapit ka.